Welcome to Astounding Bounds TV. I am Dr. Elaine Cannon. I am so excited because today I'm coming to you from the beautiful Cozumel, Mexico. Today I want to talk to you about how you can teach your children the importance of traveling and learning about different cultures. And we're going to look at why it matters. Traveling and learning about other cultures helps children understand that God made a big, beautiful world filled with many different people, languages, and traditions. It teaches them to become more loving, respectful, and wise. Acts 17:26 says, "From one man he made all the nations, and they should inhabit the whole world." God intentionally created different nations and cultures, and it honors Him when we teach our children to appreciate them. I was blessed to be able to take this trip through a dance group that I'm a part of, and what an amazing experience it turned out to be. While here in Cozumel, I personally experienced something new. Gararufa fish gently nibbling at my feet. It was a unique and unforgettable feeling. Kayla and I also had a chance to hold beautiful parrots on our arms and even our heads. And together we got into the water to pet and interact with dolphins. Each adventure was a reminder of just how much beauty and creativity God placed all around us. But the trip wasn't just about the places we visited, it was also about the people. Kayla and I met so many wonderful people and had dinner every night with new friends. Sharing meals, conversations, and laughter with people from different places showed us how quickly kindness and connection can bring hearts together. It reminded me that when we step outside of our comfort zone, we often find community waiting for us. One night, Kayla and I even got bold enough to get on stage and sing karaoke, multicultural events, or read books about people around the world. Every small step helps them grow into compassionate, open-minded, and faithful individuals. Psalms 24:1 reminds us, "The earth is the Lord's and everything in it." God's world is full of beauty and wonder, and it's our privilege into guiding our children into appreciating it. If you've enjoyed learning how you can teach your children the importance of traveling, embracing other cultures, stepping boldly in new experiences, and strengthening your family bond, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment something new you plan to experience with your child, hit the notification bell, and share this video with other parents. Remember, when you teach your child to love, explore, and understand the world, you're raising a world changer for God's kingdom. Until next time, keep guiding, keep growing, and keep shining for God. Thank you.
Cuando te vi yo supe que iba a enamorarme. Yo que pensaba que el amor ya no existía. Si me faltaras tú no sé lo que yo haría. Porque en tus ojos descubrí un nuevo camino. En tu sonrisa vi la Astounding, 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 astounding.